How to fix WhatsApp invite problem in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the first option, which called wireless and networks. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then disable it again. That's it guys. Now go back and restart your phone and then reopen WhatsApp, and you will not be having the same problem again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.